Hey everybody, this is Andre and welcome on Dr. Gradus International YouTube channel. We are testing today some pretty interesting equipment. Basically, we answering questions from all over the world and for Russian buyers and for English buyers as well. We are working on Stillman X 2-inch column, but we have 3-inch column under the VM-LM unit. So basically, we're working on Stillman X 3-inch or Cosmo 3-inch distillers, but we have a 2-inch setup on the top of the 3-inch column with packing. And yep, we have 4 liters of SPP 3.5 by 3.5, 3 liquid concentrators installed in the packing, and also it's all insulated. Then I also add one stage with bubble copper caps, plates, yeah, just for stability of the column. It's not necessary, but I like to have it in the bottom, so the column will stay stable a little bit longer, and that's a good point. And yes, all units of 2-inch distiller Stillman X are able to work with power of 3 kilowatts. So basically, we're gonna have the pretty good result with the speed of 2.5 liters an hour on a power of 3 kilowatts. So it's basically going to work as same as 3-inch distiller. And let's show how it works. So right now, as you see, column stabilizes, and I also changed the thermometer over here to a new one, which is new in our inventory. This is Bluetooth thermometer, which you're able to connect with iPhone or Android by downloading an app. And also, that's a pretty cool one. I'm actually using this one for the first time, and I was wondering if it's good or not. And maybe we will just sell them as a rubbish, maybe not. And from point what I see right now, it's actually works pretty good. It's stable, it doesn't get so bad information, and yeah, it works on Bluetooth. You can walk up to 20 meters from this one, so it's about 60 feet, yeah, in freedom units. And also, yeah, it can be translated to English as well if your iPhone or Android is in English mode, and also you can change the Fahrenheit and Celsius in case you live in different area. And also, pretty cool thing about this thermometer is that it's Russian made, as I believe in this company, and it's also located in Novosibirsk. So it's pretty important for me to sell the product which is around myself, and we can find it as fast as it possible. And it's pretty unique. You won't find something else on AliExpress or eBay or something like that, because basically it's made in Russia. Yeah, anyway, pretty cool unit. It's going to be listed on our website and eBay as well. So at this point everything is stable and works fine. Right now we just wait for the column to stabilize, and then we're gonna take our heads off. So cut foreshorts and heads. And yeah, we have power of 3 kilowatts. So if you're an owner of 2-inch Stillman X distiller and you're aiming for better performance and you want to have 2.5 liters of 96 ABV alcohol, you need that much, then you have to have 3 kilowatt of power to supply column like this. Otherwise you won't have any numbers like that one. Anyway, let's wait and then cut heads off.
Again, I thought I might try to win her back, but I'm all out of confidence. I'm a little nervous about coming down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more. First one felt like more than I could take, so I hit the ground running so hard, whittled my soul away. Try to keep my hopes up, but they keep falling down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more than the last time around. Made a lot of half-hearted mistakes.
So I've collected 2 liters of neutral alcohol, which is 96.4 ABV, as you saw on a calculation app. Pretty good quality as always on this column. It's really fast and easy. But remember, we have 3.3 kilowatt of power and we have 4 liters of SPP, 3.5 millimeters, so there's a lot of surface air to contact. I said it again, it's 2.5 liters an hour, so it's a pretty fast, and it's a cool setup that when you have a 2-inch parts and 3-inch parts as well. So I think we're gonna build a setup with this still, and which is probably is going to be available on Russian and English websites. So I like the setup, and actually I'm personally using this setup for myself every maybe week or twice a week, because I really like the side glass on the bottom of the column on the lid, which gives me a little bit more dynamic range, so we have a little bit more liquid in the column and it stays a little more stable. And yeah, that's this universal thermometer, which is Bluetooth. It's kind of cool one, but it's better to install it in the boiler or maybe in a middle in the lower part of the column, just to give an understanding where we're going to collect tails or where tails is coming, in case you don't need to collect tails like I do. For example, right now there's a pretty huge amount of unneeded spirits which should not be in neutral alcohol, and it's already redistilling. So I have right now in the boiler mix of low wines and faints, Yeah, anyway, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions about our equipment setup, shipping calculation, write us directly, we'll be glad to answer. If you have any other question, you can ask in the comments. Feel free to write there. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. We'll be really glad to see more subscribers on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Happy distilling.